This is my little half up, half down hairstyle that, as you can see, it just allows curls to be curls. Hi everybody! So when it comes to doing designs in my hair, whether it's simple or complex, I always like to start with a little 4-box part. So that's pretty much just parting it in the middle this way and parting it in the middle this way. So that way, whatever design I do, it can kind of come out a bit neater and a bit more symmetrical. So I'm going to start doing that right now. Okay, so now that my hair is kind of evenly parted, I'm actually going to just do 2 triangles going up to this center part just to make the half up portion of the hairstyle. So I don't like to get majority, just a little bit, because it fills out my face more and makes it look more, makes my hair look more fuller. So I'm going to just do that right now to kind of show you. Okay, so that's kind of parted where I want it to be. So I could just put everything else together into one big bun. Just to keep it all out the way. Okay, so now that my hair is parted, you can see, I'm just gonna divide it into 3 sections, and I'll rubber band the first one, and then the second one I'll add it with the first and rubber band that together and do the same with the third. So you'll see right now. These are not going to be the best parts, but it's okay because they're all going to be hidden. So now that everything's divided, I'm just going to take my rubber bands and start putting it all together. Remember, the first one's the only one that has its own separate rubber band. Everything else, you add what was there before. But even with that parting, it still came out fairly neat, fairly centered. So I'm just going to take out the rest of my hair, spray it, add some curl cream, amp up the curls, and I should be good to go. I should be good to go. But as you can see, it's kind of a little cute. But what I really like about this type of half up, half down hairstyle is that even though my hair isn't dry yet, you can see that it has the opportunity for more volume. It doesn't make my hair look flat. On top of that, it hides my ears a bit, which I feel like I have big ears. But for the most part, I just feel like it's versatile, it's cute. If you want to put it up into a ponytail, it still works out better than a regular half up, half down hairstyle would. For me personally, when it comes to a normal half up, half down hairstyle, it looks better on me when my hair is sleek or if I've straightened it. But this, I feel like it allows room for curls to be curls. So yeah, I'm just gonna wet my hair, add in some curl cream, and just let everything do its magic. Voila! So this is the final look, and as you can see, it's much fuller and allows for more volume. Definitely gives emphasis and room for your curls to just be defined and take up the room if they want to. Also, one thing I like about this, for us curly girls, sometimes we have to fluff our hair out just to keep that volume up. So it definitely allows for you to do that. As you can see, I'm shaking my hair out. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know how it looks on you. And that's it. For more volume. It adds for more volume. I'm gonna put this back up and try again.